I'm back! I haven't posted in a while. I know. I am just emerging from one of the busiest times in my entire career. I have been making multiple large commissions for various clients, including this beauty. Her name's Martha. But today, I am working on a project for my new logo. I have been using the same logo since 2005. It's the one that appears at the end of these videos. And while I still love it, I've decided to go with something new, something a little simpler, and I'm going to be debuting it at Maker Faire in New York this weekend, where I will be giving away these stickers. If you weren't aware, YouTube makers love to swap stickers. I started my collection at Bay Area back in May. But rather than just carry around a stack of these in my pocket, I have decided to make a wearable sticker dispenser, something I can clip to the strap of my backpack. Stylish and convenient. Now, technically, I'm still super busy. I don't have a lot of time to spend on lighting and composition for this video. I really need to get this done today. Can I do it? What's gonna happen? I don't know! You'd think I'd have a stomp shear by now. So I had a dumb and I left my battery charger at home, not even sure what it's doing there, so I skipped filming any of the detail filing and finish sanding on these pieces. But here's the brushed finish on these aluminum pieces for you sanding enthusiasts. I know you're out there. These are U-nuts. They're meant for clipping onto the edge of something like this, and they're stamped out so they accept a thread. Stick a screw in them like this. But like with most things I do, I'm not going to use them as intended. Well, I have no idea if this is going to work, but again, like most things I do. Yep, that was a recycled shot. Gotta save that battery. Okay, so I'm going to try to make this quick. I'm on my last battery, and full disclosure, this has taken me more than a day. I'm actually into the second day. So I'm going to do this as quickly as possible. Hopefully all this is going to make sense. I'm in the final stages. It's all going together. And I realized I had another dumb. I can't get this, this back panel on here because there's a nut back here. It won't slide past, and I can't cut this away because that's all there is to it. So I think what I'm going to do, and I actually kind of like this idea, I'm going to take it off, put it back together, and then screw this on, and then this never actually completely comes off. And I think I can still get all my stickers and stuff in there. So let's try that. Okay, that works. I like that. Now, let's start the final assembly. I reshaped this piece so you get better finger access, and plus it looks a lot nicer. Now the rest of these are going to be held in sandwiched between these two frames, but this one I'm going to hold in with a little bit of hot glue. It tends to stay by itself. I've done a dry run with this, so just a couple of dabs should do it. And plus, then I can cut those out if I ever want to reverse this and have the stickers come out this side instead of this side. Now, oh, that is satisfying. I don't know if you can hear that little shoomp, but it just slid right together. Ha ha ha! Right, stickers just fit. Now, when I tested this the spring mechanism earlier, it actually provided too much pressure and I couldn't pull the stickers out. So what I did was I removed the old springs and then I replaced them with some wider, softer springs out of some neon parts. And I only used 3, so now it works much better. Plus I added some foam to the front of it just so that it didn't scratch the window when I took the last sticker out. And the pressure from this helps hold this in place. I love it when a design comes out almost exactly like I intended it to. It doesn't work perfectly, but it works about 90% as well as I hoped it would. Oh, I forgot to mention, before I dug out those new springs, I did try foam. It was an idea I got from Simone Yatch and Laura Komp's video on their tampon Pez dispenser. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link to it down in the description. You got to check it out. Unfortunately, foam that was thick enough to dispense down to the last sticker posed the same problem as the original springs. Too much pressure when it was full, couldn't pull the stickers out. Also, I realized a little too late, this would have made a great belt buckle. Would you like a decal? And by the way, this has nothing to do with anything, but if you look down at your keyboard, you'll notice that the letter D is right next to the letter F. So, well, as I've already discovered, it's really easy to accidentally mistype decal dispenser. You'll get it. Nobody wants one of those. Everybody already has one. All right, so if you want to see this thing in action, I'll be posting pictures from the fair all weekend. Go follow me over at Instagram.com/Wesley_treat. And if you'd like to help support my channel, you can head over to Patreon, get some behind-the-scenes stuff, other videos, and well, all right, I gotta get this thing edited and posted before I take off for the fair. If you see me there, come say hi. Get a sticker.